Now I'm going to talk about some guideposts. These are essentially markers to look for and things that could be documented in the ALE plan as indicators of steps taken. In addition, they can also present some red flags if they're not present. Some guideposts relative as indicators of management transfer include, for example, is there a clear set of responsibilities for the next generation operator? Is there a written operating agreement? Does the business have standard operating procedures or job descriptions? Is there financial transparency and information sharing among current operators and the next generation? Or does the senior generation control the bookkeeping and checkbook? Overall, is there operational accountability? Again, as I said, these are markers to look for, and these are things that can be documented in an ALE plan as evidence of a farm succession plan and steps taken. Some indicators relative to asset transfer include, is there evidence of the actual transfer of operating assets? Is there a written buy-sell agreement? Is there a plan, preferably in writing, to transfer land or other assets to the next generation operator? And have the assets been valued as reflected in a recent appraisal or balance sheet done by their financing institution? Again, it's important to look for concrete evidence, in addition to the management responsibilities, that assets are actually being transferred, or at least there's a written agreement in place to transfer those assets. Some indicators of planning for financial security include an analysis of the farm to determine if it can support multiple generations, for example, an updated business plan. Are there retirement accounts that can cover the senior generation's retirement needs? Is there a plan to address non-farm heirs or siblings? What is their status? Are the non-farm heirs or other siblings involved in the farming business? And is this clear to those involved in running the farm, the children who are actually on the farm working with the senior generation? Is there key person insurance? Is the senior operator have an insurance plan in place? These are just some indicators that you can use as you're evaluating whether or not there's a farm succession plan that's in place as you look to provide your analysis in the context of an ALE application and ALE plan. In the next segment, you will hear about resources available on American Farmland Trust's FIC website so that you can learn more and connect interested landowners with additional resources.